Hello there, my name is Justin Lyons. I've come full sail to hopefully pursue a career in show production and touring. I just graduated from high school about 2 months ago in Boston, Massachusetts. Boston's where I first got my drive and my passion to really pursue a career in show production and touring. As I was growing up, Boston had a lot of great shows to, really offer. But my main goal is pursuing a career and hopefully the tour as a front of house engineer or light specialist. But enough about me. I've created this podcast to demonstrate the technology and how it's used and how deeply impacts the live sound industry. Now, the computer hardware that's mainly used throughout the live sound field is a lot of laptops, because you need to be able to carry your information with you and have it with you at all times. You don't really have time to sit behind a desktop computer because you're on the road. So unlike the past where you had to manually operate light shows, now you can actually create a live light show on your MacBook and plug it into the digital light console, and it will actually project the lights as you set them up in the program. So that's a lot of the hardware that's used throughout it. Also, the hardware that's used is a lot of consoles, mixing consoles, and other stuff like that. But anyways, now we're allowed to do this because technology has advanced so much over the past century. Not too long ago, we were living in a world where we were using phones like this, and they're like the fastest things in the world at the time. But then, not even 10 years later, we throw these out, and we get these nice pieces of technology. It's sleek, and it's great for an audio technician because you carry everything on here. It just has so many amazing capabilities that benefit the sound industry. And also, software is a big part of the sound industry. Not necessarily for the sound and everything, but for, you can use it for live editing, such as programs like Ableton and such as that. But a big part of the software in show production is really lighting, and lighting and the stage effects. Cues for, fog machines to go off. You can all set it up using magnificent software out there. They have great software such as Vectorworks, which you could create a three-dimensional layout of your stage and actually create the light show. So there's a lot of software for show production, but now not all of the lighting is controlled by software or pre-scanned things. You can also do live editing for lighting. You can use a lot of lighting boards such as the Jan's Vista T4 lighting console. This board allows you to digitally control the lights on stage. But another thing I hopefully will have the privilege of using is the Digico USA D5 112 FMX. This board allows you to digitally operate the front of house speakers and the monitor speakers. Mixing board that you can save live projects to, and it automatically sets it back by itself. It has 32 lines in, 40 lines out, absolutely perfect for mixing both front of house and stage monitor mixing. Well, that's about it for my podcast.